We live? Guess we're live. Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for actually watching me on my channel. Basically, I'm making this video just to let you guys know that I will be coming out with a video guide as far as how to start your eBay business and how to make money online. And I can almost guarantee that you'll probably make $1,000 in a month if you find the right items and do the right things that I did put in the guide to help you guys out, start your guys' own eBay business. I don't have a teleprompter or anything, so I'm kind of looking here, so I'm trying to frame myself in a shot, and I don't want, I put it in the side of the camera because I don't want to put it in the top. Put it in the top, then I'll be looking like this all the time and I'll be distracted, but when it's on the same level as the lens, then it looks a little better. But anyways, yeah, that's coming up. I'm gonna do it slowly as far as filming, because it does take a lot of time and it does take a lot of work, and I'm gonna go on a trip pretty soon and I have a lot of stuff to do. But I still want to help you guys out as far as helping you guys out in this journey to start your own online business. I'm not sure what time I'm gonna be recording and stuff like that, because I don't know if you saw my my videos earlier. My previous video, I usually do it in the morning when I'm just done working out, and it's kind of hard to actually get used to looking into the lens, because when I watch the video again and I keep looking at the screen, it looks kind of weird because it looks like I'm not talking to you guys, but I want to be talking to you guys. That's pretty much it. And I'm also using the don't mind the ambulance. I'm using my lav mic by Audio Technica. It's this pretty generic lav mic, but it sounds better than the ones I have that some companies sent me, because it's pretty cheap. I mean, it is what it is, but it's cheap. This one I got from Goodwill. See, you go to Goodwill and then you pick out all these good stuff, because they do have a lot of good equipment. I saw a jib the last time at Salvation Army. That jib was like $1,800 brand new, but they were selling for $600. Nobody's gonna buy that for $600. It's not even complete. But anyways, you can, like I said, you can go thrifting and get stuff for you. Actually do that now. Maybe the last time I went thrifting was like 2 weeks ago. It's been a while since I went, because I'm trying to get rid of my older inventory and transition into video, more into video. But I want to help you guys out still. I still want to stay in the reselling game, mostly as a mentor, so I can help you guys start your guys' journey, and then whatever you guys want to do after is all on you guys. But yeah, so like I said, I'm making this video just to let you guys know that a video guide is coming out soon. And after that, I'm actually gonna have a advanced guide for the guys that want to hit the bigger items, and basically they're bigger profit items. So I'll be helping you guys on that. Yeah. Click on the link below if you guys want to get the guide, the PDF. It's an ebook. I actually made it a couple months ago, and when I first released it, it was all over the place, but now it's much more organized. And I think if I turn it into a video, it's much better for some of the viewers, because I know some people don't want to read, but it's kind of good to have it in your phone just in case. And like I said, I'm doing an advanced guide, and maybe I'm gonna go talk about different niches in the future. Let you guys know what items that actually sold and what to look for as far as when you guys go to garage sale or thrift stores. There is money to be made. Like I said, the people think that just because it's used, there's no money in it. No ways. A lot of guys pay big bucks for some things, especially if it's not made anymore. That's the beauty of thrifting, because you find stuff that's no longer made, and to some people it's way valuable than what anybody prices at. So pretty much it. It's better quality than my camera because to this morning I was using the Camlink and I'm recording in 4K right now. So like I said, I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing and how I'm going to be doing the format, but I want to make it as easy as possible for me so I can keep putting on content for you guys. I have my setup right here, and it looks pretty cool. I got the screen right here. I got the receiver in the top. The wires going down. My tripod that I bought from Neewer. Yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace. Bicep shot.